you're doing absolutely fine. So I just hope that you all love the intro. Before starting the video, before briefing the video, we have completed 1000 subscribers and I have completed my 5k on my Instagram. Thank you all for so overwhelming response, and moreover I got a lot of love from the Diwali series, and this time I'm coming with the Christmas series as well. As will be the same, no break, nothing, every day will be video, and just hoping for the regularity. Taken a lot of time. Just briefing today's video. Today I have uploaded the poll about the which makeup product or which makeup should I do specifically. So the Instagram people have chosen my makeup, and it will be like a fun video, some of the informative videos. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the today's video. So the first poll was about the skincare, and I just thought that before doing the makeup, skincare is also essential. So I just asked you about the sheet mask or the face mask. 77% of the people said do the face mask, and I'm pretty much happy with that because I have not used the face mask from last 1 month, and I know that it is quite bit long term that I have not used this face mask because it is very important for our skin, and I'm very happy. So let's apply the face mask. There is not any necessary brand or something I can use as per my choice. The first I'm using is face mask, and it is the Mamaearth Upton face mask. So this is my favorite face mask, and this is the Upton, and Upton is obviously very good for our skin. First let me tie my hair. Just ignore how I have tied the messy pony. So let's apply on our face. So one more thing guys, if you, I will try to link all the products which I am using in the description box so that it can be easy for you to buy all the products. To be honest, I don't feel to apply with the applicator. I just like to apply with my fingers because I just think that it is more convenient and easy to apply all equally. Very soothing. Like according to me, this is the must try. You can definitely try this product, and this is my second tub of this face mask. I've already finished one. So I will keep this for 15 minutes. So you have seen the time lapse. I have eaten my pasta. I removed my face mask, but while removing my face mask, I faced a problem that while eating my pasta, it took a long time and my face mask was literally dried up very badly, and I knew that how I have removed that mask from my face. So caution, just wait for only 15 minutes, and if it is semi-dry, just go and wash your face, otherwise you will face a lot of problem. And my face is literally done, and my oil, I'm using my favorite Nikake 24 karat natural oil and the primer oil. Taking a very good pump of the oil on my face. So using the oil is very important for your skin because your makeup will look cakey if you will not use the oils. So always use the oils on your face or any cream which suits your skin. And I was very impressed with the results because the way I do the makeup or the way I apply the products, the people have chosen those only. But on the other side, I just want to, experiment and want to shift from my comfort zone, and it is like 50-50. I like it, I didn't like it, but it was like my followers should choose my makeup routine. And my face is well prepped, and now it is time for doing my base. And let me tell you the poll and or the percentage with the which people have chosen. So for the base, the people have chosen to apply the full base, and 61% of people said do the full base. 39% of the people said only concealer. I will go with the full base, and honestly on the daily basis or whenever I do the makeup, I do the full base because I don't know, I just lights are diffusing my problematic area, but my problematic areas are like insane. So let's do our base, and the first is obviously concealing my problematic area, and for that I'm using the MAC Pro Conceal and Correct palette, and I'm in the shade medium deep. I will choose the shade which is matchable to my skin. Done with my concealing. Now I have to jump onto the foundation, and recently I'm just loving the combo of the two foundations, and that are Maybelline New York foundation, and it is the Daily Forever 52 foundation. I will just mix match these foundation and make my own shade, very common phrase of mine. Blender to blend my foundation, and it will just ensure that my foundation is on the place and the extra foundation is removed from my face. So see how foundation shade is so matchable to my skin, not it is too light or not it is too dark. It is a perfect shade. I'm done with my foundation. Now it is time for the concealer. I don't think so you need any clarification for this. I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade 29 Light Medium. So in my Nykaa Pink Friday sale, I ordered a concealer, L'Oreal one, and I've heard a lot about that concealer. I just want to try that eagerly. So side by side I will review this also. So this is the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear More Than Concealer, and it is in the shade 312 Amber. Let's try this concealer. Very excited. Who is not excited to use the new products? To be honest, till now this concealer is like awesome, but I can't tell you the real review, or that I can say you that just buy this, this is so amazing, and that all. Now this is amazing, but I don't know that how much time it will stable on my skin and all. I have to try this for almost 4 to 5 times to tell you that is this concealer worth buying or not. Oh, this is so close. 49% of people said use compact and 51% of people said use loose powder. For the loose powder, I'm using this Becca loose powder. This is also the new one. Using the same sponge. Just make sure before applying the powder, there should not be any type of lines, because जब पाउडर लाइंस के अंदर चले जाएगा तो पाउडर लाइंस और ज़्यादा मतलब उभरी हुई लगेंगी. Just applying on the areas where I have applied the concealer. I'm using the big brush to remove the powder because I don't want to bake that much. So I am done with setting my base. Now let's see the next pole, and the next pole is of blush and contour. I was pretty much aware that people will obviously choose the subtle blush, and 83% of the people said use the subtle blush and contour, and 17% of people said use the heavy one. For my contour and the bronzer, I'm using the Hoola Benefit bronzer. I guess this is the perfect example of the bronzer and the subtle bronzer, and just giving a little bit shadow. So I have done with the bronzer. Now it is time for using the blusher. So I have a lot of subtle blush, but my most favorite was the Tarte one, but that broke so badly into little pieces, and my heart was broken at that time. I'm using this blush, and I'm using just a peachy blush. Like this is the coral, not a coral blush, this is a peachy blush. I've not added the highlighter, but highlighter is mandatory, guys. See, like bina highlighter ke your makeup look is incomplete. I'm using this Becca Champagne Pop, very famous, very amazing, perfectly overhyped. I just I'm just in love with this. My previous favorite highlighter was the Forever 52, like the full palette. It was like my heart. But now this mini one, like छोटा पैकेट बड़ा धमाका वाला काम है इसमें. I'm just in love with this. So let's move on to the next. Next is the eyes. Oh my god. Eyes. Certain eyes have the 57% of votes and colorful eyes have 43% of votes. And here was the exciting part that in this story I just wrote most excited for this because I just love colorful eyes. I just love experimenting on my eyes, experimenting on my face. I just love this. I just want to do the colorful eyes, but 57% of people said do subtle eyes, so we will do that. But I'm just confused which eye look I should do, like a brown. Like simple brown means obviously a subtle eyes without any glitter, without anything means subtle eyes. People choose the colorful eyes. I just love that. Why you haven't choose that? Those who didn't know this is the Morphe the Jaclyn Hill palette, the full of beautiful, pretty shades, and these have browns, these have shimmers, these have some vibrant colors with their matching glitters, and this is a perfect palette for the subtle eyes, I guess. Let's do this. Using this orange shade and the mixture of brown. I just love this two transition color a lot because it just makes very, good and effective. I don't know how to speak properly, but it just makes a very good shade. This is my, I have not applied the powder, but I have not set it. I'm seriously in the habit to set my eyelids with the loose powder, but the people use the eyeshadow, like skin color eyeshadow only. Wahi color dobara, and let's apply on my. So I have not asked about the liner or no liner. I just forgot that poll, guys. But अब डालूंगी अब कोई फायदा ही नहीं है. This much of the transition color is perfect, and now should I go with only matte look or should I add some glitter to the brown smoke? And I guess this is very subtle and it will be very subtle. I'm taking this dark brown shade. So guys, don't miss my tomorrow's video because it will be very interesting video and you guys will definitely love that video. I have just pre-planned that video and I just hope that it goes well as I thought already. Easy peasy, smoky, simple smoky look is done. I have not gone with very dramatic one, but this is the very quick and easy way to do the smoky eye. The brown smoky eye, just move on to the next. Mascara or eyelashes. According to, I know that everyone loves the mascara and mascara is the very common thing. 59% of people said apply the mascara, but as per my choice I would go with the lashes because everything is subtle and I just want to go with one dramatic part in the makeup. लोगों की बात माननी पड़ेगी and let's apply the mascara. I'm using this L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Waterproof Mascara and this is my current obsession. I'm just in love with this, like seriously. And I'm using the eye color because I'm not using dark lashes. This is very indeed because whenever I don't apply the lashes I always do this step because it just gives a very good length to my eyelashes. I'm taking my mascara and applying on my upper lashes and my lower lashes. battery is gone almost. Done with my pretty mascara. My lashes are all done. So the next is using the lipstick. Only the lipstick is left. This is very common, like nude or bold. So 74% of people said apply the nude lipstick and 26% of people said use the bold lipstick. People had chosen the nude lipstick, and I just guess the people choice is very amazing because with this look only the nude lipstick will go perfectly, because I have done a very simple and the subtle eyes, and the nude lipstick will complement very amazingly. For my lip liner, I'm using the Nykaa Lips Don't Lie, and I'm in the shade Pillow Fight. Not I'm in the shade, the lip liner is in the shade Pillow Fight. As I'm doing the makeup from last like 3 years I guess, and मुझे कभी भी लिपस्टिक लगानी नहीं आई, कभी भी. Like till now I made a lot of mistakes while applying the lipstick, but like recently I always used to apply with a wand or with a brush. My mother asked me to apply with the lip liner. You will just have the perimeter of the lips and it will be very easy for you to fill the lip. And seriously, I started using this technique and I'm in love with this technique because जो एक perimeter बन चुका है, I just have to fill like जितना part बचा है, and I have improved myself 60 to 70%. Like मुझे कभी यहाँ से बाहर निकल जाती थी, कभी ऊपर से like इधर से बिल्कुल भी shape नहीं बनती थी, but अब बिल्कुल normal बनती है. And if you are very beginner, try to use the lip liners first and then apply the lipstick. For my lipstick, I'm using this Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Hudson. My lips are done, and to be honest, I'm just loving my look. Like how subtle and simple my look has turned out. I just hope that you love this a little bit fun video. I just tried to make this type of videos because to be honest, I'm also bored with all the makeup videos. So I just want to transform myself and I just step into this type of videos. So I'm not familiar with everything. Excuse me for any mistake I made. If you want to participate in future with these type of videos and want to be a part of these type of videos, my Instagram handle will be in the description box. You can definitely go and check that out. This was just a fun makeup video and this was not a particular कि मैं सिखा रही हूँ. If you want to learn, please subscribe to my channel, like this video and share this. First, I just show you a close glimpse of the makeup that has turned out because today my frame is very far away from me because I just want to change the backdrop. I'm not aware of like how everything has turned out. Like this was my first video. Just crossed my fingers.